There is only one leader in Post-its. And that is Post-it. Likewise, there is only one Jeep, one Barbie, one Stanley knife, one Frisbee, and one Google. If only there would be such a standard for electrical safety testing.
Fortunately, there is associated research. The choice of test institutes. They offer solutions for electrical safety tests like high-pot, ground bond, and touch current. Their testers are easy to set up and implement, significantly improving operator safety. Contact the experts from AR Benelux for implementing the right test setup.